friends, today in my channel we are going to do a conversation in Scratch. Go to sprites, type for a cat, go to sprites, type for a rabbit. You can choose another sprites. I'm going to choose this rabbit. Bring rabbit. I'm going to place the rabbit over here and the cat here. Now we have to change the direction. It should face the cat. So I'm going to first select the rabbit and we have to make it this side and flip it. We got it. Now we need to choose a backdrop for this conversation. Go to backdrops. So I'm going to type boardwalk. We got it. Now let's do the coding for the cat. When flag is clicked, check the x and y value. I'm going to place here and check it. -187, -52. Go to motions and go to x and y. Now go to control, repeat 10 times block and wait 1 second block and looks, next costume, and from motions move 10 steps. We have to change the wait 1 second into 0.5 seconds and put it here. Let's check. I'm going to paste this here. Yeah, it came over here again. It's walking. Yeah, it's stopping over here. Now let's do the coding for the rabbit. We have to go to motions, bring the move 10 steps and go to x and y value. When flag is clicked, controls, repeat 10 times, wait for 1 second. We are going to do the same coding which we did for the cat. Next costume. And here there are more costumes for the rabbit. I'm going to delete some costumes. I'm going to delete this and this. Let's check how it's looking after deleting these. And I'm going to get this move, repeat over here, move 10 steps here, next costume over here, and wait 1 second. We have to change into 0.5 seconds. Now let's check how it's doing. I think I'm going to delete the standing pose of the rabbit. Go to costumes. I'm going to delete this by clicking on it. Now again let's try how it's looking. Now our position coding is done. Now we are going to do the conversation. Go to events, broadcast message number 1. Get the broadcast message number 1 and place it here. The cat is going to talk first. Before that we have to place some message. I'm going to say hello rabbit. Hello rabbit, how are you? And then place a question mark. We have to put this before the broadcast hello. Now it's done. Go to rabbit and go to events. Get the when I received message number 1 and go to looks. Say hello cat. I'm going to make it say hello cat. I'm fine, how are you? Hello cat, I'm fine. How are you? Fine or good? Fine. Tama, how are you? And then place a question mark. Let's check whether this program is working or not. When the flag is clicked, it's moving. Hello rabbit, how are you? Hello cat, I'm fine, how are you? You can change the seconds because we cannot read it this much fast. I'm going to change this into 4 seconds. For the cat also I'm going to change this to 3 seconds because that's a small message. We have to continue the conversation. As rabbit is asking, the cat is going to reply. Before that we have to go to rabbit, and after this say hello cat, I'm fine, how are you? After that we have to place this broadcast message number 1. We have to change it into message number 2. Click on broadcast message number 1. We get new message. Click on the new message. You can create, I'm going to create it as 2. Click on OK. And now go to cat and get the, when I receive message number 2, I'm good. I am good. Going to type I am good. It's been a long time since we have met. I'm good. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since we met. And I'm going to broadcast a new message. Go to events, bring the broadcast message number 2. We have to change the message number 2 into message number 3. I'm going to type new broadcast message number 3, and the rabbit should say yes. So when I receive message number 3, say yeah. Yes, why have you come here? Or when did you came here? When did you came here? And when did you? So it's changed it into did you came here, and put a question mark. And now go to the cat. Actually we have to go to the rabbit and create one more broadcast message. Broadcast message number 4. We have to create a new message number 4. It's created. Now go to the cat. When I receive message number 4, say I came to meet my friends. I came to meet my friends. But they did not come. But they did not come. So then we have to create a new broadcast message. Broadcast message number 5. And click on OK. Go to rabbit. When I receive message number 5, say okay, bye. Okay, bye. And broadcast message number 6. Number 6. Create a new message 6 and go to cat. When I receive message number 6, say bye. In this way, we can create many more conversations. Now, let's check how it's working. Click on the flag. You can give some time interval for that. The seconds gap. Hello rabbit, how are you? Hello cat, I'm fine, how are you? And it's waiting for the next message. I'm good, it's been a long time since we met. Yes, when did you come? I came to meet my friends, but they did not come. Okay, bye. Hope you understood the video. Please do share, like and comment our video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.